Welcome to your Billing and Coding Weekly Solutions by H.J. Ross Company, where getting your bills paid is what we do best. Every October 1st brings additions and deletions to the ICD-10 codes, and although these are 2022 codes, the effective date is October 1st, 2021. The code for low back pain, M54.50, has been deleted, with the addition of 3 codes to replace it. Today, we will focus on the new code M54.50 Low Back Pain Unspecified. Non-specific low back pain is defined as low back pain not attributable to a recognizable known pathology. This code explains there is pain in the low back, but not differentiating to a specific issue like sprain, strain, radiculopathy, disc, etc. Remember, for any dates of service on or after October 1st, 2021, the new codes must be used, and H.J. Ross Network has the list of the complete code updates. H.J. Ross Company understands billing with incorrect chiropractic CPT codes can lead to claim rejections and delays in payments, which can have a devastating impact on generating revenue and keeping you in business. If you are experiencing insurance claim denial, staff spending too much time trying to get claims paid, and patients asking why their claims have not been paid, then H.J. Ross Company is your solution. H.J. Ross Company stays ahead of the curve on the latest trends and changes in billing and coding by utilizing their direct channel of communication with the insurance companies and organizations that set the guidelines. There is a reason chiropractors have trusted H.J. Ross Company with their business for over 40 years.